Hello traders, welcome to KineFX Academy YouTube channel. So quick one guys, let me drop this simple strategy in a scalping boom and crash. Let's add these indicators to our chart. The first indicator to add is the ADX indicator. So leave the settings like this, the period 14. Though the positive deviation and the style is going to be the background color of your chart, then only leave the negative deviation to be any color of your choice. Then click on done after that. So then the next indicator is still an indicator window. Click on F plus, then we'll be finding stochastic oscillator. Then click on the stochastic oscillator, leave the settings like this. Under the styles, leave the colors on as the background color of your chart. Then come to levels there. So see the level 15, 50, 85. Under the 50 is buy or sell point. Just leave it like that. Then click on done after that. Then the last indicators we are going to be adding under the indicator window is going to be moving average 14. So come to here, just edit it to 14. So then exponential, you can use any color of your choice. Let me use this code. So then click on done after that. So you should have something like this on your chart if you get it correctly. You understand? So how do we use this indicator and how do we make use of this indicator? There is this thing I want to explain first. You know, the ADS and ADS indicators tell us the strength of a trend, while the stochastic oscillator give us the overbought and oversold region, which we know that when anytime the market comes to this 85 to 100, it means the market is overbought, and anytime it come below this 15 levels, it tells us that the market is oversold. So where do we have interest is where the moving average 14 crosses the ADS at the overbought region. That is when we are trading boom. You understand? So when the moving average crosses the ADX at the overbought region, you patiently wait to confirm the trend. You understand? How do we confirm the trend? The moving average 14 also help us to confirm the trend. When the moving average 14 gets to the sell or buy point of the stochastic level, then that is when you take your decision into the market. You understand? So you take your decision whether you are buying or selling. You know, boom. When the price comes to here, trading boom, so you know you are going to sell. So after confirming the breakout, just bring out your cross here. Just put your cross here and make sure the line has crosses the 50 points clearly. You understand? So when you are selling, confirm the crossing. The crossing must happen above the 85 level, then sell when it cross the 50 level. So let's do some back testing to confirm this strategy. So you can see there is a crossing here. I think that is not clear. So assuming there's some strategy that always tells you when the crosses happen and you should enter for sale. Assuming you enter for sale in that place, you see that the moving average doesn't get to here before the spike happen. But when you are patiently waiting till the moving average crosses here, you won't escape any unwanted spike. So what you need when the cross happen is just 5 candle. Once you count your 5 candle, you just leave the trade. You understand? Just count the 5 candle and leave the trade. The strategy is very effective. You can just follow the instruction. You can see here the crosses happen here, then you sell here. Simple as ABC. Let's look crash. Oh, sorry, I don't add crash to my chart. Let me quickly do that. So the crash is when the crosses happen below the level 15. We deal with above level 85. Now we are dealing with oversold region. When the crosses happen below the 15, then the moving average 14 crosses here, then you go for buy, then count your 5 candle and assist the trade. As simple as that. Let's check the one that already happened. You can see this one here, it crosses here, then it crosses here, then you go for sell immediately here. You understand? So when I bring out the cross here, you will see that you go for buy here, you count your 5 candle analysis. So guys, that is how simple this strategy is. Very simple and effective strategy. So guys, I wish you happy trading. If you are new to this channel, please click on subscribe button and don't forget to on the notification bell so that you'll be aware anytime I drop a new video. So guys, always trade responsible.